This is the Mentor Corner. Today we're talking about a controversial subject. We're speaking about open houses clearly and concisely, a brand new method that you can use to get it to work in your business to the highest level possible right here, right now. Welcome to Mentor Sessions. My name is Barry Paul, the owner of the Exceptional Brand powered by EXP, giving out free advice for everybody in the best industry in the world. I didn't have a mentor when I was brand new in this industry. I wish I had one, would have expedited things and made 999 mistakes less out of 1,000. Today we're speaking about open houses. If you haven't done it, it's a great thing to do, as long as you are very transparent in your messaging. You know, I feel there's 4 methods here, and I'm going to thank my 6.5-year-old. He is starting to SPELL everything out. So I was sat down in a mentor session yesterday with one of our mentees talking about open houses as they brought to my attention. And I honestly feel it is a great way, especially now coming into a post-COVID time of life, to grow your business. The purpose of an open house is not to sell that said house. If it's your listing, it certainly helps. But what it is there to do is to get you more business and to build your brand. So let's categorize it out very quickly, very concisely, to the point. OPEN, house. O stands for overexposure. With everything you do, we have a great internal video which you're going to send out to all of the mentees, including ones at the meeting yesterday, about how to do something. If you're going to commit to do something, do it to the highest level possible. Overexpose this thing. You can just turn up the day before, not see the house, put a balloon and one sign out there, or you can have a plan and prep, which brings us to P. Be prepared, have a plan. You know, if you've got an open house coming up for this particular house that you have particularly chosen, not just put your hand up in the air and said, hey, I want to do an open house, anybody got one? No, do your research, find the house you want to do for your business, okay? You can find a random one, but have that lasered approach, have that tunnel vision and focus on the house you want to do. When you've done that, 1 week, week and a half out, if the market allows, say you're going to do the open house, plan it. On the Tuesday, go canvass the neighborhood for it. Look at 15, 16 sites. We've got this whole plan for it. But what I'm trying to show is whatever house you do, have a plan and be very, very prepared to do it, which comes to my personal favorite one, E. Every single opportunity is a great way to brand yourself and to expose yourself to everybody. Not in the illegal way, of course, but to grow your business and to grow and establish your own personal brand, which is what real estate is all about. You have a 2-hour open house, no one's there for 30 minutes, that's okay. You can do 2 pieces of video content on your social media platforms, which you can also have backlog for YouTube and other areas, to make the most of the fact you are there at the open house. Number 1 would look something like this, to give you 2 free tips. Facebook Live, LinkedIn Live, Instagram Live, whatever platform you use, live video. Oh, no one's at the door. Hey, it's Barry Paul here, owner of the Exceptional Brand powered by EXP, live at 123 Main Street. Now, I'm just double checking no one's coming in the door right now. We're hosting an open house. One of the great things about this Main Street community, you may not know, and this house fits right into that category. Here are the top 3 things about this community, etc., etc., etc. Whatever it is, a live video will always, for people who are on social media, come up first and center for them to look at. And it shows that you are out there live doing your business. And the other one as well, I feel is so important. Just look to do a piece of content. It could be a tour. The live one could easily, actually, what I would do is, hey, here's a live video tour of the open house. This is my favorite area of the house. In the kitchen, it has this particular range. Wow, look at this garden. It's facing this. You get the sun in the afternoon. Whatever education you want to do. And the second video would also do something a bit not live, just so you could do it, just sit down for 2 minutes. The top 3 things about this house, the top 3 things about this part of town and this neighborhood, whatever it is, being your setting and investing this time into your brand and to establish and grow your business doing the open house. Make it worthwhile. You can't control. Now, you can help with plan and prep, which brings us back to the P, but you don't know, maybe pouring with rain, your local American football team may be playing. There may be reasons why people don't come, but you can control that you've given yourself that time to invest in yourself and your business. Do some video content, get some microphones, which helps with the audio. All of this stuff we'll get to. But my favorite part of an open house is the every opportunity part of it. Use it to grow your business, grow your brand, educate, content marketing. Brings us to the last part, network. Part of the beauty of social media, I don't like social media, but I only use it for my work, is that you have a network there, you have an audience, you have potential business there. So as part of the P, the plan and prep, you can go and if there are any signs, for example, you're going to put in a neighborhood garden or yard, which you feel may be encroaching on one of the properties, knock on the door, say, hey, my name is Barry, I'm the real estate agent here who's going to be holding a very high level open house at your neighbor's house. Before I put the sign in the ground, I just wanted to make sure it's okay because I wasn't sure if it was in your garden or not. Oh, by the way, it's open house for the neighborhood. The first 30 minutes of this open house is purely for you neighbors. I know everybody loves to be a nosy neighbor, so come on by, have a look around. You know, it's a way to increase your network by simply hosting a 2-hour open opportunity for people to come and see it. So look at your network and look at this whole open house opportunity as growing your business, growing your brand, growing your network. Here, 5 minutes, how to do a very high level open house. We're going to get these notes out to all of you mentees. And if you're watching here on YouTube or another platform, well, if you ever need a high level mentor to grow your business, we're always here for you. So thanks for joining us and be more, be exceptional.